y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I have my first Transcend unboxing. Just to tell you a little bit about Transcend, it's a little different than some of the other boxes. They actually have physical stores called Evereve, and you can either do their Transcend and have the style sent to you, or you can go into their store. You've got 5 days to try it on. They send you 2 to 3 outfits or like 6 to 8 pieces. You get 10% off if you keep 4 or more. If you refer a friend, I've got this here. If you refer a friend, you get 20% off and they get 20% off. They send you the postage paid envelope. You also get this little newspaper. And my stylist this time is Leah, but I've got my 3 little bundles right here, which I'm just gonna see if I can slide it out of the, this is cute little gray t-shirt, it says keep going. It is by Suburban Riot, and I think that's pretty cute. Next, okay, that's cute. It's Michael Stars, just a plain white muscle tee, I think. And this pants. Oh, this is a skirt, a midi skirt, or yeah, I think this is a midi on me. Yeah, to look something else. Cute. Okay, second bundle is, is it gonna come out or I'm gonna have to rip it? Okay. Okay, this, what is this? Oh wow, is this a romper? Okay, it's a dress. Okay. It's cute, it's short, feels really good. It is sundry for Evereve. So this is, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is by Z Supply, and this is a jumpsuit. I'm not sure how I feel about jumpsuits and wearing jumpsuits. I think they're cute when I see them on. I've just never really considered them. All right, and here's my third bundle. And this is, looks interesting. This is a top. Oh, I think this is pretty. BB Dakota, Steve Madden, and it's pleated. The top is, it's got small pleats on the top, and then I think this is really cute. Then it's got bigger pleats on the bottom. Really cute. This is a little heavy, feels a little warm, but it's cute. It's Michael Stars. It's a sweatshirt, animal print sweatshirt. I think it's cute. It's not really, I'm not really in the mood for warm, but, and then the last thing they sent me are cut from the cloth, high-rise Reese. Okay. All right. I like the deconstruction. I've tried before these that have the deconstruction, is that what you call it? And this one is not, doesn't, first of all, it's not huge, like my knee will not stick out of this, which I like. I like this amount. You know, that's his, it's got some over here too, but I like these. I hope they work. And I have another pair I've cut from the cloth, and so hopefully these will fit. Uh-oh, I don't want to see, but is it supposed to overlap like that, or I don't know, we'll see. Okay, those are my bundles, and let's try them on. Okay, here is the first outfit that Leah suggested, and it is the gray Keep Going t-shirt and the Chaser faux wrap midi skirt, tie-dye. There's the faux. Well, I don't know. Doesn't look good tucked in. We'll see if we like it better not tucked. No. Maybe tied to the side. No, still doesn't look good to me. I don't know. Is this the thing to, the colors are not complementary, the patterns are not complementary? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Am I missing something here? Next, she put this muscle tee with the skirt, which I think is a whole lot better. It's still not for me. I put it with these wedged shoes just to kind of dress it up a bit. But I did think that it might look cute with, I thought I'd try it with this blush colored denim jacket I got last week from Stitch Fix. And I think it's a lot cuter. I think it'd be cute with a denim jacket as well, but still not for me. This is the V-neck iCat sweatshirt by Michael Stars, which I actually like this a lot. It's different than any sweatshirts that I have, and although it's not the season for it, I'm going to go ahead and keep this for the fall. I really like it. The jeans, the distressing is a little too much for me, and then there's that pleating that I think above that distressing that I don't think is supposed to be there. A little bit sloppy for me. Interestingly enough, though, she also put it with this pleated top, which I really like. This top needs a cami under it, which I don't have on, but I don't really love it with these jeans. I think that it'd be really cute with a pair of skinny jeans or a pair of skinny black pants. This is the Weekender dress, which is definitely not for me. I think it's cute. I paired it with a little pair of Keds, but it needs a sports bra, which I don't own, and too short and just not my style. Not my style at all. And this final outfit is the Naya Slub Knit jumpsuit, which I actually liked. Once I got it on, I liked it better than I thought I would. I think it's really cute, and I just paired it with a little pair of strappy wedges, but I won't keep it. I have an aversion to public bathrooms anyway, and this would just be an added stress that I don't need. But I think it's super cute. I think it could be dressed up or down, and very versatile. Just not for me. To wrap things up, let's go through one time, and I'll give you the prices. The Camilla iCat V-neck sweatshirt in bone iCat is the color by Michael Stars is $35.99. The turn up pleat, turn up, not turnip like the vegetable. I did not turn it back right side out. Oh, let's see. Okay, turn up to pleat. Oh, I get it. Turn up to pleat top in ivory BB Dakota is $47.20. Next, the ankle straight pants. These are straight, not skinny, but they are $75.20. So about what I thought. This Keep Going Tea Gray is $15.99. I'm keeping this for $15.99. So definitely very soft, feels really good. I like it. Iris Muscle Tank by Michael Stars, weight $35.99. Sorry for the white balance issue that it's causing. I don't know if I like it that much or not. I think it's really cute. It's really soft. It feels really good. It's Michael Stars, so I know it's like quality. But another one to think on. It sure will go with a lot of things. Now for the absolute nose. I did tell you how much that was. Okay. This maxi or midi skirt, tie-dye, faux wrap midi skirt, quartz tie-dye is the color, by Chaser, is $71.99, and that's going back for sure. The Naya Slub jumpsuit in black, $59.20, not a bad price, I don't think at all. I think this would be really cute on a lot of people. Just don't think I'm gonna jump into the jumpsuit world. No pun intended. That was pretty bad. Last is the Weekender dress in charcoal by Sundry, and it is $78.40. And no. And you know the other thing too, and I put on my style sheet that I pretty much like any color, but I don't really like gray. I especially don't like gray in the summer, but it doesn't matter because this does not. This was really bad on me. That's it for this Transcend box. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love it if you would subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.